Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Madhav Raite from STEM Medica India. We are providing stem cell therapy for various diseases and our center located in India in various metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore. So today we are talking about how one should go for stem cell therapy. What are the steps he or she has to follow? Our centers are according to international standards. Our all hospitals are according to international standards, and we take care for each and everything of all international patients. So procedure is very simple. Initially, all links, WhatsApp number, contact number, email address, everything was mentioned in these descriptions. So the step first, patient has to be contact to us either by email, by submitting a query on a website mentioned in this description, or just call us, WhatsApp us. Then we will have initial consultation. We can call it as telephonic or video consultation. Then if required, we can ask few reports, medical reports from a patient that has to be submitted through by mail or by WhatsApp. So we will review all reports. If anything required, we can ask the patient. And me and my clinical team, we will scrutinize the report. If patient is accepted for stem cell therapy, then we will intimate him. We will give him the response for acceptance. Then patient has to choose the date for travel. For that, patient require medical visa for India. We will issue the medical visa invitation letter upon receiving passport photocopy of patient and the attendant if anyone traveling with him. So we have to mention passport number, all passport details of patient as well as attendant and his medical condition also. We providing medical visa invitation letter. On that basis, patient has to get the copy of that medical visa invitation letter and has to be submitted in Indian Embassy at that particular location. So on that medical visa invitation letter, we will mention the detailed health condition of patient, the procedure which we are going to do, that also mention, and the total cost, entire package of treatment also mentioned. When patient got the visa and flight ticket, he has to arrive at a respective center which we will decide with the patient according to patient convenience, according to our doctor's convenient. So center would be Mumbai, Delhi or Chennai. Let's have an example. Whenever patient has arrived at the airport, at particular airport, for example in Delhi airport, then our assistants, doctor will come for pickup at airport. He will pick up the patient and get to hospital. On day first of arrival, we have to do a basic documentation, admission documentation. So we will get file and other things done. Then on day first, patient has to be pay entire amount whichever decided earlier, either by debit or credit card or by wire transfer, anything. We have different mode of payment. So on day first, we will do all necessary investigations, blood investigations, then radiological investigations, whatever required, and we will do the clinical examination. And we start a few injections like multivitamin, growth factors, stem cell activators, multiminerals. On day second, we will do the procedure. Day second would be the under observation. Day third would be the under observation in a hospital. In that period, we will give other injections also, like multivitamins and all injections, antibiotics. And day fourth would be the discharge. We providing food for patient, food and residence for patient, and all other basic amenities already having in a hospital facility. And we also providing Indian SIM card uh, in admission period. If patient want to go and visit nearby tourist destination, tourist spot of that particular location, we will assist for same also. So this is the procedure, very simple procedure. The most important is just get the medical visa and book the flight. Rest all we will take care for. Our centers are according to international standards, and we providing exact. We know on the what international patients looking for, what are their basic needs and all things. The details of enrollment, the link of website, everything was mentioned in these descriptions. Thank you.